Hi, I'm Wendy. In this short video I'm going to show you how to make a plant-based chocolate mousse using avocado to replace the dairy. It's really quick and easy to make and really yummy. So these are the ingredients. So you've got dark chocolate. You can use maple syrup. I'm using agave nectar today, but some kind of syrup. Tahini, so sesame seed paste. Ripe avocados, and we've got some cherry compote which goes at the base of the glasses, and then you put the mousse on top of that at the end, and we've got vanilla bean paste which goes in the mousse. The step is to break the chocolate up and put it in a bowl, and then we're going to put it over some simmering water, and just make sure the bottom of the bowl doesn't actually touch the water or the bottom of the pan. So just want the water on a low heat, just so it simmers, and the steam will just melt the chocolate. So just heat the chocolate until it's all melted. So this is nearly there. After you've melted the chocolate, we're going to put the flesh of the 2 avocados into a food processor or a blender. Next, a tablespoonful of tahini, and a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, and 4 tablespoonfuls of syrup. So ideally maple syrup or agave nectar syrup. Just a pinch of salt. Okay, and then just blend those ingredients. Okay, so then just pouring in a little of the melted chocolate at a time. It's some good messy funness. Okay, and then the finishing touches are to serve. Just put a spoonful of the cherry compote in the bottom of a nice glass, just to cover the bottom, just enough to cover the bottom. And then we're going to put the mousse over the top. This quantity is enough for 4 to 6 glasses. Smooth the mousse over the compote. Okay, now I'm just going to decorate with some grated chocolate.